Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Shiana, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you and doing I'm going to be doing a tutorial with the new JACLYN Hill Volume 2 palette. This is JACLYN's latest collaboration with MORPHE. She created another I think 39 shade palette. I'm not sure on the numbers because I'm not about to sit here and count it, but yeah, she just came out with a new eyeshadow palette, which I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. This is what the palette looks like on the outside of the front, and then there isn't anything on the back, but we'll go ahead and open this bad boy. I have already used this palette actually today. I used it for my eyeshadow look that I wore to work. Now I'm going to do a different eyeshadow look to do a review for this, as well as a demo. So I'll go ahead and show y'all the inside. This is what it looks like. It's really pretty. It has all of the berry, pinks, and warm tones to this palette. The only thing I didn't like about it is that it doesn't have a chocolate brown, which I can live without and use a different palette for the chocolate brown. But for the purpose of this video, I wanted to do like a different look versus the looks that everybody else has been creating. I wanted to do like a more soft glam, because you know that's typically what you guys like to see is more soft glam looks. But this is going to be a more dramatic soft glam because I wanted to do a halo eye. So I will probably be using the black eyeshadow to make a brown. So we will do that, and if you are interested in that, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm going to go ahead and prime my lids with my P. Louise eyeshadow base primer, because I know my lids are creasing. Yeah, they're creasing bad. I mean, it's not that bad, but it's bad. And I'm going to put this, I'm going to bring it all the way over here because, like I said, we're doing a halo eye. So this needs to go everywhere. So for this video, I wanted to go ahead and talk while putting my eyeshadow on, since I've already kind of know the formula of it, since I've already played with it. So the eyeshadows, I want to say they are pressed pigments. They're very, very smooth, very buttery. There is fallout in this palette, but if you're using eyeshadow palettes and you're more into eyeshadows, then you already know fallout is inevitable, so there's nothing you can do about that. Okay, so for the first shade, I'm going to be using this brown right here, which is Homebody. Yeah, the shade is Homebody. And as you can see, as me just barely pressing into it, I got fallout. So I'm going to tap some of that off because it's very, very rich. So I am just patting this color into my inner crease and corner. But yeah, these colors are very, very rich too. So the color payoff is absolutely phenomenal. I'm very pleased with the quality of the eyeshadows and the color selection. The color selection is what really grabbed my attention. They definitely knew what they were doing marketing wise, because it's a really pretty colorful palette, but it's colors that everybody loves to wear. Everybody loves to wear pink, everybody loves to wear purple, everybody loves to wear warm eyeshadow colors. That's just people's go-to. So it's definitely good that they have a mixture of all of those in this one palette. Now I'm just taking my Morphe M507 and take a little bit of Love Handles. And I'm just gonna blend the edge out of my inner corner. That's just to soften it up so it doesn't look extremely harsh in the front. But I am bringing this all the way to the side of the bridge of my nose because I want to smoke this out as much as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing on the outside. So now I'm just taking M514 and just buffing all of this out because I don't want any harsh lines in my eyeshadow. We're now gonna go in with the black, but we're gonna mix the black with J Money, which is this shade right here. So I'm gonna also take my M507 and I'm dipping a little bit into the tip of my M507 into the black, and then I'm swirling it into the brown. And I'm placing this directly into my crease on the outer and inner corners in like a V shaping. It's like less than, greater than sign kind of, as well as doing circular motions to kind of buff it into the rest of the shadow. Okay, once I've added my black, whoa, just threw my brush. Once I've added my black, I'm gonna go in with the same M14 brush that I used to dust everything out. I'm gonna take it and buff out my edge of my black shade. Okay, now that I've added my black in, I'm gonna take the first brush that I use. This, I don't know what kind of brush this is, but it's dense and fluffy at the same time. It kind of reminds me of the Morphe 533 brush or 433 brush. I think it's 433 brush, and I'm going to smoke out, sorry, I think I got eyeshadow on my contact. I'm gonna smoke out the bottom with Homebody. Once I've done that, I just kind of want to put a little bit of Perfectionist, which is this nude right here. I'm gonna put this all on the center of my lid, right on top of that space that I left empty. You want this to kind of be like a circle because it's a halo, so you want to leave your center clear and do like I said, less than, greater than signs, and blend them in circular motions, and it just makes a circle. That's the key to this. What do we want in the inner corner? I want to use a champagne, like goldy color. Oh no, I'm gonna use this bronze. I'm gonna use this the name of the color is Get Ready With Me. It's this one right here. With my pointer brush. I love this for inner corners because, like, do y'all see that? This is popping. This is perfect. Like, yo, that is perfect. So this is the palette that I was talking about. It's Truth or Dare from Revolution Pro. It has all of your pretty foil glitters in it. This is like my go-to if I want a nice poppin' gold shimmer, because you're definitely gonna get that with this palette. So I'm gonna take a flat, this is a concealer brush, but I use it for eyeshadow, and I'm gonna mix this color and a little bit of this color together. Again, if you do have this palette, be careful not to dig in it because your girl can get a little messy. Do y'all see that? This pigment, it just like, boop, it goes right on there. Okay, now that that is done and I've added that color, I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye off of camera, and then I will come back and we'll discuss like everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little eyeliner in my tight line, which is the NYX retractable eyeliner, and this is the shade black. So for eyeliner, I'm gonna be using the Super Fan from Smashbox. As you know, you probably have seen me use this because this shit is bomb. And I'm going to put lashes on from my lash brand, which if you don't follow it, I will link it down below. It is Chic Beauty Co. And these are the lashes Dainty. I'm just kind of picking this glue off because they nasty. Okay. We are going to do my lips now. I'm gonna use my KKW lip liner that needs to be sharpened really quickly. Can't have a dull lip liner, it just doesn't work that way. So I'm using Nude 2 for this lip, and I am overlining the top. I'm gonna use a soft nude, like more like a closer to my lip color. This is On Mute, from the Carly Bravo and Anastasia collab. And I'm just adding a little, and I'm gonna blend it out with my finger. Let's just fucking look ashy. Maybe they don't. They look good, they look plump. I'll tell you that much. Oh, I'm gonna put a gloss on top. Screw it, I'm using Madeline from NYX. Y'all, this is the finished look. I'm a fan, so that means you should be a fan. So, honestly, the palette is bomb. Like, it's worth the coin because you're getting a lot of shadow for the price that you're paying. This collab was actually really good. I like the first JACLYN Hill palette too. I just don't gravitate towards it as much anymore as I used to, because I have millions of palettes now. But yeah, I really do like this palette. I will probably use it again and maybe do another look, probably like a colorful look. It's just like right now it's not the time for me to be doing color, especially like within my theme and what I've got going on. So, and I wanted to be different. I wanted to test the palette and see if I could do a neutral bomb look, and I definitely did that. So if you got any questions, comments, concerns, don't forget to leave them down in the comment section, and also make sure you are subscribed, join the fam. I am trying to get my channel to 1K very soon so I can do a giveaway for you guys. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Also, if you are already subscribed or if you're a new subscriber, make sure you hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post a video. So it's typically right now around 1 to 2 times a week, which is, you know, decent, especially because I don't want to overload you guys with videos and like, oh my gosh, it's just too much. So I don't want to do that to you guys. That is all. I am really obsessed with how this look turned out. I did try to film this look literally yesterday and it didn't go how I wanted it to, but I definitely did the look and it turned out. It just wasn't what I was expecting and wasn't what I was going for. And you know, when you try to put things together and it just doesn't go together, then yeah, you know, just start from scratch. So that is what I did, and this is how it turned out, and I'm really happy. I'm really pleased. But yeah, I'm really pleased with this collaboration on this palette. It's really bomb, it's really pretty, and I really think y'all should go get you one. So that is all for this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.